The Chinese are great at a lot of things, but no one can deny that some crazy stuff happens in China. For starters, take a look at how the Chinese military handles grenades. The way we unload steel in the West is just so wrong. We need to learn from the Chinese, as they have perfected the art. This is the Chinese way. This is exactly how we need to do it in the West.
What, Jeff?
Another thing that the Chinese are great at is driving. They know the best use of road signs, and they also know exactly how to be courteous to other road users. See for yourself. Where in the world could you go to find a baby dressed in a suit made from an authentic watermelon? You guessed it, only in China.